Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your iPhone is running iOS 26 and has sufficient power. Plug it in if needed. Place your AirPods Pro 2 in the charging case, open the lid, and keep the case next to the phone so the devices can handshake. Once done, verify Wi-Fi is stable and Bluetooth is on. Toggle Bluetooth off then on if connection seems stuck. This initial setup forces the phone and AirPods to exchange info and prepare for the firmware transfer. You now trigger the actual firmware delivery. With the AirPods in the open case and paired, stay on the Bluetooth screen to confirm the device appears. Tap the info icon to check the current firmware version and ensure it differs from the iOS 26 compatible version. If the update doesn't appear, keep the iPhone unlocked and the AirPods connected while leaving both idle. Background updates often install after a short idle period. Make sure notifications, or apps, you finish by confirming the firmware version under the AirPods info screen. If it shows the updated number, close the case and test audio and spatial features. If it didn't update, reset the AirPods by holding the case setup button for 15 seconds, then repair to the iPhone and repeat the idle update process. One key troubleshooting tip. If updates stall, try another iPhone running iOS 26 or a different Wi-Fi network. This isolates whether the problem is the phone, network, or the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.